your sugar in, so 360 grams. If you haven't got sugar at home and you've got maybe sugar, put that in instead. This is the sort of recipe you can kind of change up whenever you want. And then if you want to, you could add a little teaspoon of baking powder, but I've actually forgotten that before and it really didn't make a difference. So I don't know what actually baking powder actually does, but put it in or don't put it in, it's entirely up to you. And then, as you can see, it's a little bit dry. It's not normally. It's not normally this dry, but you know what? With cooking and me, I just
You haven't put any eggs in it?
Yeah, that's it. Mix up those eggs like so.
Whisk up lecture.
All right. Okay, it's all good. Right. And then you want to bang it in. And look at this consistency. Okay, now this is where it's going to get really good. Bang it in the tin. Look at that. Right, and then you spread it out. Get it in the oven. 160.
How long?
160.